ocean explorers. Today, we're diving into the cheerful world of clownfish. These little fish may be small, but they're full of big surprises. Get ready to uncover some fun facts about these colorful characters of the sea. Fun facts about clownfish. Colorful companions. Clownfish are famous for their bright orange bodies adorned with bold white stripes. Their vibrant colors make them stand out in the ocean, just like clowns at a circus. Unusual homebodies. Did you know that clownfish are homebodies? They live nestled among the tentacles of sea anemones, which are stinging creatures. Surprisingly, clownfish are immune to their stings, making them the perfect roommates. Team players. Clownfish and sea anemones have a special relationship. The clownfish help keep the anemone clean by eating parasites, while the anemone provides protection for the clownfish from predators. It's like a symbiotic friendship under the sea. Gender bender. Here's a cool fact. All clownfish are born male. As they grow older, some may change into females. If the female clownfish in a group dies, the dominant male will change into a female to take her place. Talk about flexibility. Parenting pros. Clownfish are great parents. After laying eggs, the male clownfish guards them diligently, keeping them safe from harm. He even fans them with his fins to provide oxygen until they hatch. What a devoted dad! Little nippers. Baby clownfish, called fry, hatch from their eggs after about a week. They're tiny and transparent at first, but they grow quickly. It's like watching a tiny circus troupe grow up right before your eyes. Finding Nemo. You might recognize clownfish from a popular movie called Finding Nemo. The main character, Nemo, is a clownfish on an epic adventure through the ocean. Just like in the movie, real-life clownfish are full of personality and spunk. So, young sea adventurers, clownfish may be small in size, but they're big in personality and fascinating facts. From their colorful appearance to their unique behaviors, these underwater wonders never fail to amaze. Next time you spot a clownfish darting among the coral reefs, remember the remarkable world they inhabit and the incredible partnerships they form. Clownfish truly are the stars of the sea. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.